माय लॉर्ड, ये ठीक है बिल्कुल. अगर और वैसे भी एमपीओ के ऊपर शायद एक जजमेंट भी आ गया है हाई कोर्ट का. आई डोंट नो वो अपील में उसका क्या स्टेटस है. आई एम नॉट फुली अवेयर ऑफ इट. बट
उस ऑर्डर, उस जजमेंट के होते हुए ही अमल हुआ
जी,
यानी आपको
एमपीओ के नीचे अरेस्ट
यूर वायलेटिंग द जजमेंट
है. बट ये तो नहीं हो सकता सर, ये तो नहीं हो सकता. ये तो दिस कैन नॉट बी काउंटेनेंस्ड. दिस कैन नॉट बी काउंटेनेंस्ड.
थोड़ा मौका देते हैं सदर साहब को.
My lord, insofar as the bar associations of this country are concerned, we, for ourselves, we've been pointing this thing out repeatedly, that there have been off and on instances quoted of such like interference. But an institutional response is the key question here. And for ourselves, for myself personally, I thought that if we investigate...
Now we will not hear you personally, we'll hear you as the President.
Well, the Supreme Court Bar Association felt that an inquiry into this can be a good starting point for an institutional response. And unfortunately...
ये बता दें जरा सी, मैं वजाहत कर दूं. I think we are operating in different domains. I think the domain of an inquiry is altogether different.
Yes.
Because can the Supreme Court hold Mr. X responsible for interference or intimidation? That, I'm just thinking aloud now, that would be the inquiry report which will say, yes, Mr. X did this and he is responsible for this. It could be he acted on his own. It could be he's acting under instructions, because a lot of people have their own personal agendas भी हो जाते हैं कभी कभी. वो ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो सब इंस्टीट्यूशनल बात हो. तो उसके बाद अब हमारे इख्तियार वो अलग डोमेन है. हम उनके पावर तो नहीं खींचेंगे ना. हम वो काम करने बैठ जाएंगे कि हम इधर हम कैसे इन्वेस्टिगेट करेंगे बैठ करके, किसी इंक्वायरी के थ्रू होगी या पुलिस एफआईए.
यही है. That is why we were in support of the idea of an inquiry commission. And I still believe that
even the judges want it inquired into. Now, how to inquire into such? That is left.
The best possible course was adopted already, and there has been a lot of criticism over that for no reason. People who are criticizing are not even aware of the dimensions of the 2017
Have
law.
bar councils reached out to you that we think this is a better way?
No, my lord, for myself and
no, not for
again for the Bar Association and the Pakistan Bar Council.
They said something to you, ye hai.
No, my lord, nobody is suggesting an alternative route, and nobody is suggesting a better way of eliciting an institutional response to this high-handedness which is being shown and which is condemnable. But the fact remains that we can only take this up in a methodological manner, and we can then, that inquiry report could have served the basis for an institutional response by this August court. But unfortunately, that has been foiled. And Mr. Tasaddiq Jilani, knowing him very well, he has recused himself for reasons that has been recorded in his letter.
But I don't think he would say the other thing.
Yes,
we should not be unmindful of it that a gentleman has come under so much pressure.
And he's found an excuse to.
No, I won't even call it an excuse, but I'm sure that
for myself, but the fact remains that for myself, again, the formation of a commission, I understand that it's only the federal government which can do it.
My learned President, who is being accused? The executive.
Executive.
And it is not just a simple accusation. It says that there's been a policy that has been going on since a very long time. So who would investigate? The executive?
Well,
the executive will investigate its own self?
No, sir.
Let us not
get into this. I
sir, let me respond to this.
And Justice Mansoor Ali Shah has made it very clear. Let us move forward.
Yes.
Let us not go into this. Otherwise, 2018 also ought to be investigated. And people must be held accountable. There is impunity against this culture of deviance, and that is what has made the constitution unworkable. देखिए, Sadr Sahab सबको पता है, Sadr Sahab, can this courts justify the human rights violations taking place today? We all know it's happening. So let us not close our eyes. Let us not bury our heads under the sand. Let us face the reality. It is our responsibility to uphold the Constitution and protect the fundamental rights. We can't just shut our eyes. It is happening. Let us not pretend that nothing is happening.
So, Mr. President, let's move with the suo motu now. Let's move with the suo motu.
Sorry, I just want to support what Athar Saab is saying with one important rider. If it is happening, it has not been mentioned in the letter. It has the events of a year before. And I will take great exception because I will not tolerate this. If anything has happened on my watch, please bring it to my notice and see what will happen then. So nothing has been brought on my, it may be happening which nobody is disclosing, that's another thing. For that I cannot be held responsible or accountable. And I place myself accountability. If there is an interference, then I am accountable, provided it is brought to my attention. If things happened in my predecessor's time or even earlier, I am not in any manner responsible. I mean, I think that's we should be clear about. But still we have taken it seriously that past events should also be. And if this timeline can go beyond. And probably for this reason, probably Jilani Saab had suggested that I may be allowed to expand the letter. I don't know what was in his mind, but I presume that was what he was aiming at. रियाजत साहब हैं पाकिस्तान बार काउंसिल के या नहीं है? पाकिस्तान बार काउंसिल की तरफ से कोई है?
आज शायद
Mr. Shahzad Shaukat sir, let's just proceed further. We have taken a suo motu. हम अब इसमें कुछ करना है नहीं, और करना ये है कि वाजे किया जाए सारा तरीकाकार कि कैसे चलना है, बिल्कुल, और एम्पावर किया जाए चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट्स ऑल्सो कि अगर कल को उनके कोई जज उनको कुछ बताते हैं तो वो कुछ करें, और इसी तरह उनका सेशन जज उनको कुछ बताता है तो वो करे ना हाई कोर्ट का जज, और अगर नहीं करता तो फिर हम उसके बारे में भी वाजे करें कि क्यों नहीं करता। मेरा ख्याल आप अपना सिस्टम तो पहले बराबर कर लें, और उसके बारे में आपसे आरा पूछ रहे हैं कि बताइए हमें कि आपकी क्या सजेशंस है। वी हैव समथिंग इन आवर माइंड, बट आप अपना बताइए कि क्या सजेशंस आपकी आ सकती हैं।
माय लॉर्ड के बात को बढ़ाते हुए हम क्यों ना इस लेटर को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी समझे। पाकिस्तान की तारीख में पहली मर्तबा इस इशू पे हम बैठे हैं। मेरे ख्याल में इससे इम्पोर्टेंट इशू कोई भी नहीं है, इसलिए कि जब तक अदलिया आजाद नहीं होगी कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।